Hey guys, and welcome back to my Plan of Perfection. This is Nikita, and I'm guessing that from the title, you know this is going to be my unboxing of one of my 2024 planners, and I am very excited. So this is the A5 wide, I think, rainbow bundle from Wonton in a Million. I have never ever shopped with them before, so this was a pretty big gamble for me, I'm not going to lie, because it ended up costing around £75 for this planner. It's obviously not that expensive, but with the tax and shipping fees and all of that, it turned out to be quite a costly planner. But it was what I wanted, and I don't really have anything but planner stuff. So I wasn't going to say no. So in the bundle, we got quite a few bits and pieces. I'm just taking my invoice out. I just want to see what it's called, if it has the name on it. Oh yeah, the Rainbow A5 Wide Planner Bundle. So it was 48 Canadian dollars. But with the tax, so the tax was $14 and the shipping was $20. So it was like $85 total. Because I did pick up a couple of other bits as well. Not a lot, just one or two things. But yeah, so in the bundle, we got the planner cover, the pen, and I believe I've popped these away. Yeah, and you got a set of tabs. So let's put everything else to the side. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk you through everything and let you guys have a look. I'm not sure if this is still available. I do think it's sold out, but I'm not sure if she did a restock or anything like that. But there are a lot of similar planners and stuff out there. It's just I wanted the rainbow cover. I think Hubman and Chub Girl, they do look similar sized planners. So I've just realised I've been filming without my light on. I'm not sure if that's, I think that's a bit better. Hopefully it is. But my apologies. You can definitely see the embossment better now. So it's embossed with one of the shop's characters. I think it's Steamy. And it's embossed with 2024. And then on the back, you've got the Wonton in a Million, like, logo type thing. So yeah, this is A5 wide. We got this pen. Apparently it was a gift from Simply Gilded. And it's very cute and it matches very well. I'm just wondering, I don't think I have it to hand, but I have a Simply Gilded rainbow pen and it matches a little bit better than this one. I'm not going to be using either of them though, to be honest, because I just can't, I don't like the feel of them when I'm holding them. I don't know why. It's just, yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, so we got the pen, you got the tabs, and you got the cover. So the cover is just like a clear jelly cover. Can I get it out? Oh, that's a strong plastic smell. Very strong. So yeah, I'm not sure. You can see the stars there. I'm going to be completely honest. The cover doesn't feel the greatest quality. There's nothing wrong with it whatsoever. I am going to go ahead and pop this in though. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It just, for the last 2 years, maybe going on 3, I'm not sure, I've had the same cover on my Stalogy. And this doesn't feel as good quality. So, I'm not sure. Okay, so we do have a hair. I'm not sure how well you can see. There's a hair attached. Definitely not one of mine. But we'll just go ahead and remove that. But that does look very cute. And you can kind of see it's still very pretty. And it's like holographic stars, and it is cute. It's very cute. So we did get the tabs as well. I'm going to show you the tabs. And they're obviously in rainbow. Very cute. And you do get a couple of extra ones. I did pick up 2 lots of these. But yeah, let's do a quick flip of the planner, because I feel like that's what people are going to be coming here for. And oh, I'm matching. So yeah, it's very cute. You've got this like pattern, Wonton in a million. Oh, it is cute with all the characters and hearts like a checkered. But yeah, to be honest, I'm going to probably just end up sticking stuff in here. And then we get the, I'm guessing like the name page, isn't it? I'm noticing that's not stuck the same way as the rest of the pages for some reason. But yeah, it's very cute. I mean, I'm going to be honest, I'm going to probably end up covering a lot of the characters. They're not my favourite. But yeah. So then we get a year at a glance, which is very handy. And I love the fact that we start the year on a Monday. And then we've got some dot grid pages. Not sure how well you can see them. I'm kind of bringing them up. But yeah. So I don't know. Oh, and then we've got our monthly. I'm not sure. Are the monthlies all together? No. So yeah. So this is, I think, pretty much, I want to say it's sized at like an Erin Condren. Well, it's not, but I feel like the, I don't know if I've seen somewhere that the Erin Condren monthlies will fit with a little bit of adjusting, but it's very cute. It is. And they've got all the holidays there. So we've got New Year's Day, and then we've got the Holocaust Remembrance Day. She's got the shop character birthdays in, which is cute. So apparently it's Steamy's birthday. Martin Luther King Day, and I like that because that's marked as a US holiday. And then we've got our weekly, and this does fit the standard vertical sticker kits. I'm currently wondering, I do have a Josephine Bow sticker kit that's seen better days. But this is obviously standard vertical, and I've just stuck my first sticker in. But yeah, yeah, that fits perfectly. I was considering a Harriet Wright Designs again this year for my memory planner. I've put that in upside down. But I felt I wanted dated, and I think she does the dated, but I wanted dated, but the blank boxes, I could never get on with them. I always feel like my stickers are going down wonky. So yeah, let's get back to this planner anyway. So it's very much Erin Condren vibes, I think. Obviously there's the 8 full columns, the 7 days of the week. and then the sidebar. And I love that we've got the little calendar, because I've seen so many people, they'll highlight the week and stuff. So I like that a lot. Yeah, this is really cute. And I love that they've got the holidays on as well. Oh, and then we get, so we must get those between them, which is quite fun, you know, because I might use these to do a bit of journaling, potentially. Maybe. Oh, apparently we've got a ribbon as well for marking, what? Well, it's a bookmark, isn't it? Oh, my birthday month. Let's go on my birthday month. Okay. So, again, we've got the 2 dot grid. We've got June. I got excited then thinking I shared a birthday with someone, Ricky Eggroll's birthday, but my birthday's on the 8th of June. Oh, a Saturday. Oh, National Egg Roll Day, Dragon Boat Festival. This is really cool. It is. But yeah, so again, I love the weekly layout, and obviously that's what I use. And I like this because I don't think it's as tall as the Erin Condren, is it? Well, I don't think it is anyway. But let's head to the back and see what the back looks like. That's scary to think that December 2024, like... So we get quite... How many do we get? Yeah, we get a couple of dot grid pages. And then on the back, this is something I freaking love. It's got all the holidays. So, yeah. There's a lot of US and Canada. But what I was actually thinking of doing is, if I want to like really commit to this, what I might do is, like, for instance, the US election day, I can white out and maybe pop mine down wherever, like when we vote in the UK and stuff. Obviously Christmas and stuff is all the same. Mother's Day usually isn't. We normally have it in March, and I think you guys in America have it in May. But yeah, and then of course we've got that same cute pattern, and then we've got the back. Oops. But do you know what? I feel like this cover, I do think it'll be okay. Another hair. Why is there another hair? I would love to say it's mine, but it's really not. Right, let's get this ribbon in. I'm not sure if I'll keep that ribbon or end up cutting it out. But it is such a pretty planner, and I'm so glad I got it. I do just want to double check that those are the right tabs. Because I did pick up... Oh yeah, they're exactly the same. I was just worried because it's got neutral written on, and obviously they're not neutral, are they? But yeah, I did get 2 lots of tabs. Because for some reason, before I purchased the planner, I thought the monthlies are in one section and the weekly, but it's not. So I've got an extra set of tabs for whatever I want to use it and when I want to use it. But yeah, I'm very excited. I really want to get into this planner. And I can't wait to set it up. I can't wait to make a setup video with it. But yeah, that is pretty much... Do you know what? Let's just, without the light, kind of give you guys a look. I mean, you can see my ring light and stuff there, can't you? Oh, and there's me. Hi. But yeah, guys, I'm very excited for this planner. Hopefully you're excited to see some plan with me's in it. But that's going to be it from me today. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and it'd be absolutely amazing if you decided to subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.